Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing Supertrend Indicator. Supertrend Indicator is a very powerful tool for every share trader. It gives you trade both on the upside and also on the downside. It also helps you in exiting your trade because it gives you the marker wherein you have to exit. But before that, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to it because I keep on sharing lot of educational videos on my channel and I make a lot of effort in creating those videos. So a little appreciation by liking the video and subscribing to the channel will motivate me a lot. So before any delay, let's move forward. So in this video, what all we'll be covering? We will be covering what is Supertrend Indicator, how Supertrend is calculated, how we can change the setting of Supertrend on a chart, and how to use Supertrend Indicator for our daily trading. So we will be covering all these 4 points in the video. So let's move forward. So what is super trend indicator? Super trend indicator is a trend following indicator that uses the average true range to calculate its value. It was developed to provide a more robust approach to trend identification by incorporating volatility into its calculation. This makes it particularly useful in volatile market where traditional trend indicator might give misleading signal due to sudden price movement. So when you plot a super trend indicator on a chart, it calculates the higher and lower value of the stock, then average it out. So that is divide by 2 and then sum the average price with multiplier into average true range. This is for both the higher band and the lower band. So for super trend calculation, there are two more factors which are important. One is period for how long you want to look into the super trend, and the multiplier. So you want to increase the multiplier or reduce the multiplier. If you will increase the multiplier, it will reduce the short term noises. And if you reduce the multiplier from 3 to 2, then it will have more noises. So if you are a long term trader, so you can use 3 as a multiplier or you can increase it to 4, 5 or 6, whichever suits you well, and you will have a different result. If you are an intraday trader, you can plot it on shorter time frame. Even you can plot super trend on 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour, and you can get the same result. It will indicate you when the price is moving up, where to enter, and when is the price moving down, or what should be your stop loss if you are entering into a trade, both for long position or a short position. So isn't it very powerful tool? Because whenever you enter into a trade, it is very important to understand at what price one need to enter and what should be the stop loss. Exit, you can exit at any point of time. You whenever, if you are an intraday trader, you'll be having your target of say 2% or 3% or 1%. Or if you are a long term trader, then probably a 10% or 15% move would be your target. So let's see how super trend looks on a chart. To add a super trend in your chart, you simply need to go to indicator. Therein, you add the super trend. Now, if you see, by default value in super trend is 10 and 3. 10 is the period, 3 is the multiplier. Now if you want to change the multiplier or the period, you simply need to click on the setting, and here you can change the length is the period and factor is 3. So first, so let's look into the crude for a daily, on daily chart. So now crude is breaking the super trend and it is giving an up move, which simply means that if you enter into WTI future, then your stop loss will be $66.5, and you can enter here at the current price. In fact, it has given a breakout yesterday. So if you entered today at 73.81, you are already earning $2 per lot. Now if I change the setting from 3 fact multiplier to 6, so it removes all the small noises. So if you see, by putting 6 as a multiplier, it has removed all the noises, and it is saying that the bigger trend will move to uptrend only if it crosses 80. So from 75 where it can go up to 80, but if it breaks 80, then it will move to the all time high of 86.6. So I'm changing it again on the shorter range, and here it is giving me a breakout. If I want to make it more shorter, I can change the multiplier to 2, and it gives me a breakout day before yesterday at $70, 70.9. So that is the role of multiplier in super trend. Now let's look at the USD versus Canadian dollar. So I'll change it to 3, and if it breaks above 1.36, so anyone who has entered into a short trade at 1.37, he got from 1.37 to 1.34. That is the profit for a trade. But if I have not exited from this trade, my stop loss will be at 1.364. So if USD versus Canadian dollar breaks above 1.36, then I'll be entering into a long position. Let's look at another currency, Japanese yen. So again, Japanese yen versus USD has given a breakout at 143.53 So now it is into the uptrend, and for me the stop loss is at 1.142.24. Now if I change the multiplier from 3 to 6, it removes all the noise. So if I have to enter into a bigger trend, so that will start from 150.42. So currently this price can move up to 1.50, 150.45, and above 150.45 the target could be 161.52. So that is the role of multiplier into a super trend. Now I'll take another example. I'll take example of, say, Meta. So Meta is an uptrend, and it has given a breakout at $549, and from 549 it went up to 595. And see, your stop loss is moving up, so you need not to worry about where to place the stop loss. You can simply place the stop loss at 552, and you are earning your profit. Let's take another example. So we'll take another example of Microsoft. So Microsoft gave a breakout at $425 and it is currently trading at close to the stop loss value, which is 425. But here, if anyone entered at 418, he got a profit of almost $40 per share. And if I change the multiplier from 3 to 6, so Microsoft gave a breakout at this price, which is 441, went up till 467, then tested the Supertrend stop loss and it gave a breakdown till 384. Now 446 is the level which is not able to break. So again it went down to 416. So till the time Microsoft is below 446, it is in a downtrend. I hope you are able to relate it with your stock and the price and the entry point and exit point. If we have to look into the shorter term, so it gave a breakout at 417, 467, then breakdown at 447 till 387. So very easy to take a trade based on super trend. We can take another example. We'll take Amazon. So in Amazon, it gave a breakout at 184, tested the stop loss level at 176, then went up to 200 and then gave a breakdown at 187. So even if you entered at 186 and did not book your profit at 199 or 200, then it gave you a exit at 187. So your trade ended up with no profit, no loss. Here it is testing your stop loss level at 181. So one can enter here at 186, keeping a stop loss at 181 and taking a target of 200 because it is testing 190 to 200 level. So that is how one can use super trend for daily trade and you can use it on multiple time frame. If you are a intraday trader, you can do it on hourly or 15-minute or 30-minute candle and it gives you a very fabulous indicator whether you have to enter into a stock or you have to exit from a stock. So it defines your trade very cleanly. With this, I'm ending my video here, and I hope you liked it. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel by now. If not, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading any new video on any of the indicator on a stock, then you get the notification on time. So, see you in my next video, guys. Take care.